In 3, 2, 1, something's in the... Something's in the air right now, like I'm losing track of time, like I don't really care right now, but maybe that's fine. You weren't even there that day, I was waiting on you. Wonder if you were aware that day was the last straw for me, and I knew. I sent you flowers, did you even care? You ran the shower and left them by the stairs. Ooh, 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 yeah. Thought you had your shit together, but damn, I was wrong. You ain't nothing but a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no job. You ain't nothing but a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no job. I used to think you were shy. Maybe you just had nothing on your mind. Maybe you were thinking about yourself all the time. I used to wish you were mine, but that was way before I realized someone like you would always be so easy to find. So easy, yeah, yeah. Gave me no flowers, wish I didn't care. You've been gone for hours, could have been anywhere. Ooh, yeah. Thought you would have grown eventually, but you proved me wrong. You ain't nothing but a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no job. You ain't nothing but a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no job. What did I tell you? Don't get complacent, it's time to face it now. What did I tell you? Don't get complacent, it's time to face it now. We did it! If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think about Billie Eilish's new song? Are you excited for a new album? Are you not? I personally am very excited. If you aren't aware or if you haven't watched this channel or are new to this channel, we love Billie Eilish. We've done pretty much 30 or 40 of her songs. There are a lot. I'll have a playlist in the description below, also linked in the eye, or you can just search my channel and you'll see a bunch of Billie Eilish songs. We love Billie Eilish here, so thank you so much for being here. And if you are a Billie Eilish fan and you are excited for a new album and you want to learn the new songs coming up next month, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're playing? This is a concert-sized Enya ukulele in blue. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon page if you do want to read the reviews or get it yourself. It's highly affordable, super nice quality, and sounds amazing. And also, it comes with a bunch of uke accessories. So if you're like, Ricky, I don't have a tuner, I don't have a capo, I don't have a strap. If you get this uke, it comes with everything. So link in the description below. Also, link down below will be links to the merch, to Patreon, to all of my socials. Everything will be down below. My socials, I can't speak, are just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to follow me, send a message, and let me know what video you came from. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.